How to copy pages between your Canva designs. Now, this is the easiest method I will be showing you right now. So first things first is you head over to your first design. Now, if you have created another design to another page or another tab and you don't want them to, go over again and do over the design to the main page. So what you're going to do is you just simply click the grid view icon right here. So click on that and then go to your design that you wanted to copy. Click on the same icon again, the grid view here. Now all you have to do is to copy this design. You right click and copy. If you want a shortcut key, just simply press Control plus C. So Control C. And then you go back to your main design. Uh, Under the grid view of this page, you need to press Control V or right click on the mouse and then paste. So Control V. There you go. And then if this is an incorrect order and you want to change the order, say example you want it on page 3 or 4, so you'll just have to click and drag, replace the page 3, and then if you want it on 4, just like that. So that is how you copy pages between your Canva design.